Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Ubisoft Connect application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, after installing the Ubisoft Connect application, go ahead and open it up. And once it is opened, you will be asked to log in to your account right away. You can now directly enter your email address within the email address box, followed by your account password that you have set up while creating your account. Now, if you are logged in through your own private device, then you can choose the Keep Me Logged In option. Finally, click on the Login button, and now you will be logged in to your Ubisoft Connect application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Ubisoft Connect within your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.